Hello, and thanks for coming back to my channel. So, She Delivers is a channel about me, a food delivery woman who lives in New York City, and I'm just showing a different side of me. I do weekend deliveries, and so since New York has had a crazy snowstorm, it is so difficult to navigate around the city with a car, just trying to do the day-to-day things. So I just wanted to show this side, the not so pretty side of what we food delivery people do. Now, I'm driving around. It's about 17 degrees outside this night, looking for a park. So I have finally found parking. Look at this shopping. Hello, sorry.
Oh, so sorry.
Okay.
I'm gonna run back on. I'm gonna take this stuff back. All right.
All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. French. And then I keep picking up the snow peas. And I'm like, wait a minute. I know it says French beans, but I'm picking up snow peas. And then it wasn't the right size when I finally got the French green beans. It was a mess, but I sorted it out. Now look at me going through these big ice. Oh my gosh, it was just so much snow.
Hello, I have
Into my other order.
DoorDash.
And
One
I
moment.
like finding these new cool chain restaurants or new restaurants, you know, when I'm in the city.
Oh, I
And
got
then
another
I
order.
got me a little $3 tip. I was cool about that. And he was so cool. He was like, I'm sorry, this is all the cash I had. I said, you know what? Thanks. Much appreciated. So after that, I just took a break. I did a drop off on 68th Street in the city. And I think I'm going to be talking about it right about now. So let's listen to that. Hey, so I just finished that drop off. That drop off was, Manhattan. So the pickup was
downtown Brooklyn, and I had to drop it off on 68th Street. So I just stopped to take a little breather, collect myself. It wasn't stressful, but you know, the traffic. And I'm like, wait a minute, I got time. I'm early. Sometimes I just gotta woosah. So I decided to just come here and show y'all the park. Right over here by the bridge. And there's the water there. Some frozen benches. You just seen it in the clip. So I'm in Manhattan. I'm on West 68th Street. I think I might do a couple of orders here. They might be up there. I think I'm gonna do a couple of orders over here. And then I'll head back to Brooklyn. I'm only doing 4 hours today. It is cold outside. It's freezing. But I'm warm. I got on like 3 hats, this hoodie. I left my gloves in the car. And yeah, so this is the park. I'm gonna head back. Hi! Must smell my dog. Cute. All right, so that's it.
So now I've left Manhattan and I am in Chinatown. I'm going to take the Manhattan Bridge back to Brooklyn. So I just wanted to capture for you guys Chinatown. I love Chinatown. Cool little hangout spot. You could find anything you need. Actually, my orthodontist was down here on Bowery. So, yeah, I had to zoom in on here because it was freezing outside. It was about 7 degrees. And, you know, there's a hustler on the corner selling frozen clothes. Cannot knock the hustle. But yes, selling clothes on the corner at 5 degrees. So, that was cool. But I'll tell you one thing about we New Yorkers, we are outside anytime, any temperature. But I really like doing the food delivery. There's a good lump sum of money that could be made if you know what you're doing and know how to make it work for you in terms of promotions that they have, knowing your demographics, knowing, you know, the restaurants in the areas, and just knowing little things about people. Like Mondays, people really don't like to cook. Wednesdays and Fridays, and of course the weekends are the best. So those are the days that the money makes sense, right? And I can't say I love doing this. I have grown to love to do this since, you know, our economy has been chinky. Let's just call it that. It's been chinky. It's a challenge. And we all trying to find ways to make extra money because groceries are expensive. Everything is expensive. And even when you think you catch up, there's always something it's just always something. So you need to be like 10 steps ahead of the game if you can. Because if not, it's like you have 1 foot in the door and half a foot is the other side of poverty.
There are police reports ahead.
So I'm on the Manhattan Bridge right now. I love this view.
In
beautiful,
800 feet, use the left 2
super
lanes to turn left onto
expensive
Fulton Street.
cities in the world. And now with this inflation, it is so hard. You know, people are not even smiling anymore. People are just mad, angry, tired, lost, confused. And some of those emotions are valid, right? Because it's like we're robotic. You get up, go to work, eat, sleep, go to work, home, cook, shower, repeat. It never felt so robotic than it does since the last 6 years. And I just try to move around and navigate this thing called life by just smiling. You know, pretending is helping me, because I think being angry, it'll fester. And so I just, smile and keep it moving. But a lot of people are not able to compartmentalize their feelings. And I get it. It's a work in progress for me as well. But look at this snow. They saying it was less than a foot of snow. But I guess with the wind, what they call it, blistering wind or something, where it makes the snow more inches in certain places, it had to be more than a foot. It had to be, because it was like streets were blocked off and still blocked off, because they have special trucks coming to shovel the snow and put the snow someplace so that people can park. It's really, really bad. And yet, we have to be out here. We have to be out here doing what we have to do. It's just another obstacle that we have to overcome. It really is. It was just that one day off when it wasn't any school. And the next day it was school. Everybody just had to put
And this order is $12. So that's pretty good. And it's going just 2.1 miles. So, all right.
What we gonna do is make a snowman. And I just put it inside.
Hello. Hi, right here. I'm looking for organic bananas. Do you have? I looked. I didn't see it didn't say organic. No. It just said bananas. Yeah. I love this store already. Yeah, no good.
So if you like this type of content, stick around. I'll be dropping new videos every Wednesday, once a week. She delivers NYC.